How to turn on car mode in Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, Spotify remains one of the most popular music streaming platforms. And if you want to enjoy your favorite tunes while driving, here is how you can enable the car mode in Spotify. So first, connect your phone to your car audio system. To do that, simply open your phone settings and turn on the Bluetooth. And after that, simply look for your car in the list of available devices, and once found, you can simply pair your phone with the car system. And after successfully pairing, you can launch the Spotify app, and once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And once the pop-up menu comes up, you can simply tap on settings and privacy. And once you are in the settings and privacy section, you can simply tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And in the search bar, you can simply type car and search for it. And after that, simply tap on the first result. And from here, you can see the option labeled Keep Spotify Open under the In the Car section. So simply toggle on that option, and once you do that, you are all set. Now you can enjoy your music while driving with more convenient interface. And that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.